So, this is a car seat in a toilet. Now, when I saw this, the first thing I thought about is, imagine VW drivers, they won't put this one because you can't adjust it, right? But imagine if VW drivers had to put a car seat in the toilet, sitting in the toilet right back like this and taking a shit. No, anyway, welcome to some a video of people taking car parts and recycling it and doing funny things. I don't know what we're about to see here, but let's find out. A key. I would love to have this Nissan, whatever this is, key holder on my wall. That looks very nice to me. That's a very creative. No, man. No, how am I sitting in this table? How must I sit there with no space to put my legs underneath? Imagine walking past this table and hitting that table with your toe. No, I can't deal. This room's table must fall. What's this? Oh, bottle opener. Hey, that's a lame invention, man. Spark plug bottle opener. Ha! How is this rev counter clock? Speedometer clock. I almost got it wrong, but that's a good idea. That is a brilliant idea. I get very confused at the time if I look at that. Toothbrush holder made from what? I don't even know what all this stuff is. Okay, so they took a LED strip now and they stuck it in the inside of the spring. This is very inventive. Unlike you, Mercedes-Benz driver made that there. Come on, man. Can you imagine bringing your girl home? You take her in a room and then you got that shit there in your room. You think she'll stay there with you? I think she'll laugh. To be honest with you, how many of y'all will have that in your bedroom? Tell me now, put in the comment section. Right, a clock made from what's that? This from the brakes? I don't know. Umbrella tire, that looks ugly. I don't walk into my house and see an tire laying there. What? Who come up with this shit, eh? Why go buy an umbrella holder? No, that's a lacquer lamp. That looks lacquer. I won't lie to you. That looks very, very nice. This looks like someone just putting their hand in the middle there holding on bulb. That's what this thing reminds me of. That. A coffee table. This is actually very neat. This is a very neat coffee table. That's a little bit lacquer in your lounge. Good display. Oh my god. How can you put that rim chandelier? Have you ever? No. I won't sit in that room there. I'll be constantly in fear of that chandelier gonna fall on my head. Hey, this is a lampshade made from. I see on spring there. The only thing I can recognize is on spring. Another rim coffee table. This one is a bit too plain, but a cigar holder. This is lacquer in your office, on your table there. Your visitors come there. How is this? This is a wine. Okay, I don't drink, so I can't put wine bottle. So I'll put like gym bottles. I'm going to the gym. I'll put like water bottles. Okay, I don't go to the gym. I won't put water bottles. I'll put like a normal Aqualia bottle. But anyway, another last one. I can fucking die if. How's this stink? I wish I had this. I won't lie to you. I wish. I'll wash my hands whole day every day. I'll spend in the sink. I'll sit in the sink. Wash everything. Anyway. Oh god, this is nothing to do with a car. It's a fire extinguisher, obviously. But this here is if you eat hot curry and your bum is burning. Obviously, take the fire extinguisher, toilet roll holder in the toilet to wipe and cure the burn. Right? My name is OG2 Scoops. Check out my videos. This is weird things that made from car. I don't know what this video is called. But anyway, if you go on my page, you click the follow button, or click the bell notification, and you click all videos. So every time a video comes, Facebook and YouTube, even YouTube, you click the bell too, and will tell you because you're switching the notifications on. Remember that there. I'm OG2 Scoops. I made a video. I'm out.